Good morning, students. Today we start our new unit 5, and the title of our new unit is Revolutionaries of India. Okay. In third unit that we discussed already how the nationalisms came in India, and after that we discussed after the 1857 revolt that how many revolutionary come arise and they go against of the Britishers and started to protest against of Britishers. So from to that there are so many revolutionaries are there in India who are arise after the revolt of 1857. So there are what actually happened. See, at the time of British ruling, peoples are not aware everything about what is going on in India. But after the French Revolution, after the European Revolution, American Revolution, peoples are go awake and they doing aware about the things whatever going on, and all the women's, children's, educated, uneducated, literate, illiterate, then businessmen, poor, common, all the peoples are started to involving in the movement of means in the freedom movement. All are involving in the movement of this freedom. Each and every persons are involved. Okay. So in that what actually happened, what they want, we want freedom from to the clutches of the Britishers. India is under the rule of Britishers, and the peoples are now want to free the India, to become free to India. So they are started protesting against on the different of ways. So in this unit, too much famous revolutionaries that we learn today. So before starting that, let me start our lesson with one lines of a very famous revolutionist. The name of that person is Bhagat Singh. Okay. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में. So this is a very famous lines of Bhagat Singh. Whenever he is do any conspiracy, then any treachery of the Britishers, at the time in the jail also, in the prisons also, at the time of anything protest, he always speaks this line. Bhagat Singh always speaks this line, and our unit is started with this, that how much people are too much aware now and they want to start it against the Britishers. So very first there is a person and personality is there, revolutionary personality is there, Vasudev Balwant Phadke. Okay, Vasudev Balwant Phadke. It is known that this person is firstly started revolt against of Britishers, and he is called the pioneer of this revolutionary movement. All over the revolutionary movement is going on in India. Then Vasudev Balwant Phadke is become the pioneer of the revolutionary movement in India, and he is protest against of Britishers, and whatever they do, they just doing conspiracy, and whatever the treasuries of Britishers, they make a group and to treasure for the treasury. Okay, and he was strongly opposed to the Britishers and make one party secret arm group. They make one party named secret arm group, and in this party name called Ramoshi. Okay, the name of arm group is called Ramoshi, and whatever Vasudev Balwant Phadke is done, then Vasudev Balwant Phadke is too much revolutionary activities he done, and he worked in Pune. He was worked in Pune, but actually what happened, he is tortured too much by to the Britishers. He was tortured too much at the time of Britishers in his office. So he left that job and started in a freedom movement. Okay. Then actually what happened? He is take one vow. He is take one vow. Which kind of vow he is taken? He is taken vow that I am not cut my hair and not put tilak on my forehead until the Britishers just free the India. So he take a vow that I am not cut my hair and I am not applied tilak on my forehead until the India is become free. So in his whole lifetime he not cut his hair and even not put a tilak on her forehead. Then next, he is doing so many conspiracy against of Britishers, so many treachery he is done. Whatever the things of the Britishers, they just stolen to made treasury, and all the treasury whatever they take from the Britishers, they just distribute in the peoples of poor. Then another thing is, for these kinds of activities, such a kinds of revolutionary activities, British government declare bounty, means reward, for to him, means 4,000 rupees reward or bounty is declared by the British government for to capture to Vasudev Balwant Phadke, to capture Vasudev Balwant Phadke, and who is just to give information about Vasudev Balwant Phadke. Britishers give them award or reward of 4,000 rupees, giving reward of 4,000 rupees. So this is a bounty for him to 4,000 rupees. Then the next, we all know that he made one secret armed group, which is named called as a Ramosi. And in this armed group, whatever they done, they stolen the weapons from the Britishers. Wherever the Britishers put their weapons which they used to in a any way to ruling the India, they just what they do, they just stolen their weapons, and by this helping of this group of armed force, with this armed group they are making one group, and they are just doing stolen of weapons of Britishers. And the another thing is what happened, he was imprisoned many times by the Britishers, but actually what happened in prison, he is just left the prisons and go too much far from to the prisons of Britishers. And in 26th of February 1883 in Aden prison he was died due to the hunger strike. Then what actually happened, he is asleep at his village Hyderabad, and at the time of 3 a.m. Britishers arrest Vasudev Balwant Phadke at his home, and whenever he is captured by the Britishers in the prison, he was just he was not in the under of Britishers, and he broke the rules, and from to prison he far away. And whenever he is far away, then another way Britishers started to capture him, and he put him in a prison. And again time what happened in the prison, any common people are not stuck until in the jail also, in the prison also. See the Gandhiji, he is visit jail or prison many times. Okay, he visit prison many times. Then also what actually happened, that he was just write so many books in the prison. So in the prison also people can do many things. Okay, if you see the Bhagat Singh movie, in that Bhagat Singh movie, at the moment of his imprisonment, at the moment of his death also, whenever he is hanged on that day, on that moment also, the book is on the hand of Bhagat Singh. So the peoples are free in the prison, and they do so many things in the prisons. Okay, so he is doing one hunger strike on prison, and because of that hunger strike he was died in a prison. So this is a very bad thing. And when he was died in 26th of February 1883. He was died in 26th of February 1883 in Aden prison. Aden prison is where, okay, he was died in a Aden prison in a February 1933. Okay. Now another thing is, okay, everything we discussed about Vasudev Balwant Phadke, that he was the pioneer of revolutionary movement. He was the pioneer of the revolutionary movement in India. Then next one, very famous personality is Veer Savarkar. Then Veer Savarkar is born in 28th of May 1883. He was born in 28th May 1883 at Maharashtra. At Bhagur village of Nasik. Bhagur village of Nasik. He was born. Then another thing is, what about him? That from to his childhood he was included in the revolutionary movement. From his childhood he was including itself in a revolutionary movement, and he made one institution named Mitra Mela. Okay, he made one institution named Mitra Mela, and after that Mitra Mela means he wants to collect the people, gather the people for to this revolutionary movement, and after this Mitra Mela is called Abhinav Bharat. Okay, after this Mitra Mela is called Abhinav Bharat. Okay, Abhinav Bharat, if you someone is asking you that Abhinav Bharat is established by whom, then answer is Veer Savarkar, means Veer Damodar Savarkar. The whole name is Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. We called him a Veer Savarkar, but what is the actual name of him? Then Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. And Mitra Mela it is translated that name in Abhinav Bharat. Okay, this is one institution. This is one institution which is made by Veer Savarkar. Later he called as a Abhinav Bharat. Then the another thing, he done kindle of foreign clothes. Kindle means to burn. Kindle means to burn. Means very first he started to boycott or to kindle a foreign clothes. Kindle means to burn. Jalana. Okay. Kindle means to burn. Means he started to kindle foreign clothes. Means he is opposing them. He is telling to the people, aware to the people, that don't use the goods and clothes which is came from the outside of the country and from the foreign countries. Okay. Then next, okay, he is go London for the further study, and Shyamji Krishna Verma institution gave him a scholarship. Shyamji Krishna Verma, one institution is there. It is give him a scholarship to go to the London, and he is go to London for the further studies. And another thing is, what happened whenever he came back after his study, he wrote one book named India's First Freedom Struggle. He wrote 1857 India's First Freedom Struggle. He wrote this book. Okay. Then another thing is, what in 1910 in India House he arrested. Means India House is one institution is established by our revolutionaries also. Then he was arrested. Many times he was arrested, but at that time what happened? He was arrested too many times, but whenever he arrested in India House, then he is arrested for 15 years, very longer time period of for 15 years of his life he passed in a prison. Okay, arrested, and he passed his 15 years, very long period. Very long period he passed in a prison. Okay, then he was in India House. He was arrested and he put in a cellular jail. And cellular jail is where situated? Cellular jail is situated in Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, and it is also called a Kalapani, the Saja of Kalapani. Okay, because there is a no proper food is given, no proper water. Okay, whatever the daily routine we have used, it is not given here, and such kinds of many too much badly they behaving with the people, so that we call it as a Kalapani. Okay, so in cellular jail Andaman Nicobar he passed 15 years then. His life's very most eventual part he passed in a jail. And the year of 1966, 28th of February, in 1966, 8th of February, he was died in a jail. Then see, whenever he is in jail, he was just take away from the jail, and again he was captured by the British rule, and he was imprisoned in his own home in Ratnagiri, okay, in his Ratnagiri, and after imprisonment for 15 years he was died, okay. So this is the story about the Veer Savarkar, okay. Then next is another third number very great personality is there, Khudiram Bose. All of you heard this name before, I know. Khudiram Bose. Then he was born on 3rd of December in 1889. He was born in 3rd of December 1889 in the village of Habibpur of the Madhipur of Bengal. Okay, so Khudiram Bose is from Bengal. Then he lost his parents in his early childhood. Then actually what happened? One teacher, whenever he studied, that one teacher is adopting him. One teacher is adopting him, and the name of the teacher is Satyen Babu. Satyen Babu is adopting him and inspired him to be a revolutionary. See, after the death of his parents, he was just lost his parents, and after Satyen Babu adopting him and inspired him to be a revolutionary, and he participated in the non-cooperation movement. Okay, Khudiram Bose is participated in the non-cooperation movement, and he after joining this, he kindled the foreign laws. We already learned that kindled the foreign laws, also done by the Khudiram Bose. Then Khudiram Bose used to dive in the river Ganga and topple the boats carrying salt. See. Then in this way he used to break the unjust salt water. See, he was break the rule of salt. He break the rules of salt laws. And on 13th April of 1908, Khudiram Bose and Prafulla Jaki threw a bomb on the house of horse carriage of Judge Kingsford to kill him, and Judge Kingsford survived the attack. Okay, but the wife and daughter of lawyer Kindi died in this attack. Okay, he wants to kill Judge Kingsford, but at the another way what happened? By him, he was killed by the daughter of lawyer Kennedy. Okay, so this is the story of our Khudiram Bose. That much is giving in our textbook. Further class, you will learn something about Khudiram Bose. So I hope all of you understand this class, that we discuss what is revolutionary, that there is a how it is implemented, means woman, man, woman, child, old, young, all are involving in this revolutionary movement. Then Vasudev Kalvankar, Phatke, Veer Savarkar, and third one we discuss Khudiram Bose. Okay, so these all three personality, not only three, there are many, but in next class that we discussed such a personality. Okay, take care all of you.